Kangaroos are large animals native to Australia, easily recognized by their strong hind legs, long tails, and unique hopping movement. They are well adapted to life in open grasslands and forests, using their powerful legs for both traveling long distances and defending themselves. Female kangaroos carry their young, called joeys, in a pouch on their abdomen until they are ready to live on their own. These fascinating creatures are among the most iconic symbols of Australia's wildlife. Kangaroos are truly nature's incredible jumpers. With their powerful hind legs, they can leap as high as 3 meters in a single bound and cover distances of up to 10 meters with ease. This extraordinary jumping ability allows them to travel long distances quickly while conserving energy. Instead of walking like most animals, kangaroos rely on their jumps to move efficiently across Australia's vast open landscapes. Their large feet act like springs, propelling them forward with each bounce. Watching a kangaroo move gracefully across the plains is an amazing reminder of how evolution perfectly adapted them to their environment. A kangaroo's legs are not just for hopping, they are a combination of strength, balance, and precision. The muscles in their hind legs work like built-in elastic bands, storing and releasing energy every time they jump. This unique system means that kangaroos use less energy the faster they move, an incredible biological design that few other animals possess. Their strong legs also serve as powerful weapons when defending themselves from predators or during fights with other kangaroos. A single kick from a kangaroo's hind leg can be strong enough to knock down an opponent. When a baby kangaroo, called a joey, is born, it's incredibly tiny, smaller than a jelly bean and almost completely undeveloped. Right after birth, the joey crawls unassisted through its mother's fur into her pouch, where it latches onto a teat for nourishment. Inside the pouch, it continues to grow safely for about 6 to 9 months before venturing out to explore the world. The pouch acts like a nursery, providing warmth, protection, and milk. It's fascinating to think that such a large and strong animal begins life in such a fragile form. Kangaroos are the only large animals in the world that move by hopping. Their movement, called saltation, is both fast and energy efficient. Unlike most animals that run or trot, kangaroos use their powerful legs and elastic tendons to bounce forward. This hopping motion helps them travel long distances across Australia's grasslands without tiring easily. It's also a great advantage when escaping predators, as their quick leaps make them difficult targets. This distinctive form of movement makes kangaroos one of the most recognizable and fascinating animals on the planet. One of the most surprising facts about kangaroos is that they cannot move backward. Their muscular tails and large feet make it physically impossible for them to step in reverse. This unusual trait symbolizes progress and strength, which is why the kangaroo appears alongside the emu on Australia's national coat of arms. Both animals can only move forward. It's a powerful message of resilience and determination, reminding people to always look ahead and keep moving forward, just like the kangaroo. Australia's outback can be extremely hot, but kangaroos have developed unique ways to stay cool. One of their most fascinating tricks is licking their forearms. Their saliva evaporates and helps lower their body temperature, especially in scorching weather. They also seek shade during the day and are more active at night when it's cooler. Their light-colored fur helps reflect sunlight, and their ability to limit activity during peak heat prevents dehydration. These clever adaptations allow kangaroos to survive and thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. A kangaroo's tail is not just for balance, it's like a built-in third leg. When moving slowly, kangaroos use their tail to push off the ground, helping them move forward in a unique tripod-like motion. Scientists have discovered that the tail generates as much force as the legs do when hopping. It's also a vital tool for balance, helping them stay steady while jumping or standing upright. This combination of strength and stability makes the kangaroo's tail one of the most impressive natural features in the animal kingdom. Kangaroos are strict herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. Their diet mainly consists of grasses, leaves, and shrubs, which provide the nutrients and water they need to survive. They have chambered stomachs similar to cows, allowing them to digest tough plant fibers efficiently. By grazing on grasses, kangaroos help prevent overgrowth and promote new plant growth, making them essential to the balance of Australia's ecosystems. They are living proof of how animals and nature work hand in hand to keep the environment healthy. Kangaroos have excellent hearing, and one of their most fascinating features is their independently rotating ears. Each ear can turn in a different direction, allowing them to pick up sounds from all around without moving their heads. This ability is crucial in the wild, where predators like dingoes may approach silently. Their sharp hearing, combined with keen eyesight, helps them detect danger early and react quickly. Even the slightest rustle of grass can alert a kangaroo, showing just how finely tuned their senses are for survival. Kangaroos are surprisingly fast and efficient travelers. When threatened or migrating for food, they can reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Their spring-like legs allow them to cover large distances with minimal effort, and they can maintain steady speeds for long periods. This energy efficiency is vital in the dry, open landscapes of Australia, where food and water can be far apart. Their unique way of moving makes them some of the most efficient long-distance travelers in the animal world. The kangaroo's pouch is one of the most remarkable features in the animal world. It serves as a safe haven for the joey, providing warmth, protection, and a constant food source. Inside, the joey nurses and grows while its mother moves freely. As it matures, the young kangaroo begins to peek out, then hop out for short adventures before returning to safety. This close bond between mother and joey is heartwarming to watch and highlights the deep level of care kangaroos provide to their young. Kangaroo mothers have a fascinating ability called embryonic diapause, where they can pause their pregnancy until conditions are right. This means a female can have one joey outside the pouch, one growing inside, and even a fertilized egg waiting to develop, all at the same time. The mother's body can even produce different types of milk to nourish each joey based on its age. This remarkable reproductive system ensures the survival of their species even during tough times like droughts or food shortages. Kangaroos are mostly nocturnal or crepuscular, which means they're most active at night or during dawn and dusk. This behavior helps them avoid the intense heat of the daytime Australian sun. During these cooler hours, they venture out to feed, socialize, and travel. At night, the open plains come alive with kangaroos hopping gracefully under the moonlight. This nighttime lifestyle not only conserves energy but also helps them avoid predators. It's an incredible adaptation that ensures their survival in such a demanding environment. Kangaroos are highly social creatures that live in groups known as mobs, troops, or courts. These mobs typically consist of anywhere from 5 to over 50 individuals, usually comprising females, their young, and several males. Living in a mob provides security. Having many eyes and ears on the lookout offers protection from predators like dingoes and eagles. Within the mob, there is often a dominant male, known as a boomer, who maintains authority and is usually the largest, strongest member of the group. Fights are boxing. The iconic image of a boxing kangaroo stems from the male-on-male competitive rituals. During the mating season, male kangaroos engage in ritualistic fights to establish dominance and secure access to the females in the mob. These contests involve standing on their sturdy tails for balance while grappling with their smaller forearms and delivering powerful, raking kicks with their large, clawed hind feet. While the sight has been sensationalized, these fights are a serious competition and the powerful kicks can inflict significant injury. Kangaroos represent the largest group within the marsupial family, with the red kangaroo holding the title for the largest living marsupial species on Earth. This species exhibits significant sexual dimorphism, meaning males, called boomers, or bucks, are much larger than females called gills, or does. A mature male red kangaroo can stand taller than a person, reaching over 2 meters (6.5 feet) when fully stretched, and can weigh up to 90 kilograms (200 pounds). The eastern gray kangaroo is another large species, often being slightly taller, though generally less stocky in build than the red kangaroo. While most people think of the red kangaroo when they hear the word kangaroo, there are actually over 60 different species of kangaroos and their relatives, including wallabies, wallaroos, and tree kangaroos. Each species has its own habitat and lifestyle, from the vast deserts of central Australia to the rainforests in the north. The red kangaroo is the largest, capable of standing over 6 feet tall, while smaller wallabies are more agile and adapted to rocky terrains. This diversity shows how adaptable and widespread these remarkable animals are. The kangaroo is more than just an animal, it's a symbol of Australia itself. It appears on the country's coins, coat of arms, and even the national airline logo. Representing strength, progress, and resilience, the kangaroo has become a global icon of Australia's wild beauty and spirit. Tourists from all over the world travel to see these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. To Australians, the kangaroo embodies pride and identity, a reminder of the land's unique wildlife and untamed charm. The conservation of kangaroos presents a unique challenge, as the 4 largest and most common species are generally classified as least concern, due to their large and resilient populations, while smaller macropod species, such as the tree kangaroos, are often listed as vulnerable or endangered due to habitat loss and predation. For the abundant species, management focuses on regulating populations through state-controlled commercial and non-commercial harvesting programs, which aim to mitigate issues of overgrazing, competition with livestock, and mass starvation during droughts. These culling programs are strictly monitored for sustainability and adherence to animal welfare codes. Simultaneously, conservation efforts are progressing with non-lethal methods like fertility control vaccines and strategic fencing to manage numbers in localized areas, while broader initiatives concentrate on protecting the dwindling habitats of the smaller, threatened macropods from urban development, agriculture, and the impact of introduced feral predators.